I really don't want to like Allie. I mean, that's his, potentially could be his future daughter-in-law. It would make it very difficult to continue my relationship. You know, it's not.
Okay then.
Not Allie, I mean, he just came from Portugal. If you don't mind, I'll ask her a few questions. Because, I mean, no, but, you know, you're a big price. In my mind, you know. You're a big price. And I know she's gonna be happy. I know that. And I want to make sure I do.